Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today I'm bringing you a very special review, and that is a month-long review in the making. I tried to drain the battery life on this product, and I wasn't able to. So without further ado, I give you the best true wireless headphones under $100, period, and one that has to be considered for the best battery life I've ever used on any product. And that is the Creative Outlier Gold. These true wireless headphones are absolutely amazing. So let's get down to it. First of all, battery life is better than anything else I've ever seen. 14 hours. No, not 14 hours on this. 14 hours on the headphones by themselves. That is quality beyond anything we've seen. Now, I'm not sure if it's because the quality that they're doing, the battery life, what they've figured out, but they really have done some amazing things when it comes to the battery life. By the way, if you're wondering, the case is 39 hours. So yeah, I really just was not able to drain this after a month's time. Now, granted, I guess I just didn't spend more than an hour each day with it, but yeah, the battery life is insanely good. I never had a time when I was having a playing session or using it that I just was like, oh, I have to check on the battery. I just have never had to worry about it. And that's insane. The fact that you can go on a 2-week trip, use these every day for 3 or 4 hours, and you should be fine. Like, that is awesome. I really love the idea about that, and it's something that I think more headphones should strive to come close to. Now, what about the sound quality? Well, the sound quality is really something, and a lot of it comes from Creative's app called Super XFi Software. Now, this really is an app that I was familiar with at CES last year, and what it allows for is the ability to have this insane experience where you feel like you're in the studio. It really is something that I haven't seen before until I saw it at Creative Studio, and it really is just amazing in terms of its quality, and the sound is better than anything. It's different from anything I've ever seen. But not only that, it also supports 2 really high quality codecs. Now, Bluetooth codecs are going to be in your phone. I'm showing you how to do it on Android, but if you have Qualcomm's aptX format, which is my personal favorite, or Apple's preferred AAC format, it really is a great sound quality that just is so much better, and I wish more things would support it. It works with Siri and Google Assistant no problem, but one of the other things is it has graphene drivers. Now, the reason why I thought this was really interesting was because this is a technology that Samsung and all these other manufacturers are trying to figure out, and they have already come up with something really amazing with it. Now, I have been impressed by Creative as of late. As you seen our soundbar review on it, it was just absolutely amazing, especially for the price, beating out $300 soundbars at less than $100. It really has impressed me what this brand has been able to do, and so under the radar that I just really love their products, and I can't wait to see what they have at CES this upcoming year, because in just 1 year they've become one of my favorite brands when I don't think that many people really know or appreciate what kind of quality they offer. Now, these are normally $100. They're currently on sale right now for $79 on Creative's website. I will link down below. And I think they have some special coupons right now too for the holidays, so maybe even check it out because you can get them at an even better price. If you want amazing sound quality, really heavy bass, and just overall good quality for all of your music, these are the true wireless headphones that you should get, and it will keep your sound quality absolutely great. The casing is superb, Type-C connection, you just hit all the little things that I have wanted. Now, I will say, like any true wireless headphones, the noise cancellation isn't going to be the best on the phone call, but it really is great when you're just using them on the go, and it does drown out all the noise. Although they don't claim to be noise cancellation, it really is just an awesome sound quality overall. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. What else would you want to see from this brand, or what else would you want me to compare these to? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.